Hey everyone, today I'm going to unlock some magic for you. Yes, I'm talking about polymorphism in Python, one of the coolest concepts in object-oriented programming. You ready? Let's dive in. So there are three main types of polymorphism in Python: method overriding, method overloading, and operator overloading. First up, method overriding, also known as runtime polymorphism. Imagine you have a parent class animal that has a method called make_sound. Now, if you create subclasses like dog and cat, they can override this method to provide their own specific sound. Check this out. Python class animal, class dog animal, class cat animal. Now, if you loop through a list of these animals and call make_sound, each animal will make its own sound. Bark, meow, and some generic animal noise, all thanks to polymorphism. Next, let's talk about method overloading. Python doesn't support it directly like Java or C++, but hey, we have a trick up our sleeve: default arguments, Python class math operations. So you can call this add method with either 2 or 3 arguments. It's like magic. Python obj = math operations, print obj add 510 hash output 15, print obj add 510 20 hash output 35c. One method, multiple behaviors. Pretty neat, huh? Finally, we have operator overloading. This lets you define how operators work with your custom objects. For instance, you can redefine the plus operator for a class like this, Python class point. So when you add 2 points together, you get a new point with the summed coordinates. Check it out. Python p1 = point 23, p2 = point 45, p3 = p1 plus p2, print f point coordinates p3x, p3y, hash output 68, and there you have it. Method overriding, method overloading, and operator overloading, the trifecta of polymorphism in Python. Alright, I hope you found this helpful. Want some exercises to practice? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious.